pretty slow flyer.
That's a heavy plate. So does it fly like your beaver?
Yeah. Whoa.
Very nice.
I wouldn't stall it, because it's going to crash.
I can stall it, see, watch.
Barrel roll. Whee!
It looks easy to fly.
No, it's extremely hard.
And it doesn't stall. It just can't stall.
Ooh, perfect for me.
Oh, there's a stall.
We should take that tractor down. I'm going to go jump in that tractor. Take it down. Huh? Yeah, I'm going to jump in that tractor, take it down.
That is
Otherwise, I won't have it.
Take her down so that the video is not too long.
Buzz the car.
Here's one coming up.
No, don't buzz the car. You can race him. It flies like my beaver, a low-winged beaver. Cool.
Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is.